This week, the biggest event in the AI space just took place, the Google I/O Summit. I attended it and saw them release so many tools to pull up their status as the number one AI company in the world. For the last 2 years straight, every single time someone wanted to build something serious with AI on their laptop, the conversation always came down to the same two names. It was either Claude Code by Anthropic or OpenAI's Codex. And both of them had quietly built such a strong lead in the space that most people had genuinely started to believe Google was completely out of the race for good. And then this week, Google released over 20 tools in 24 hours and priced most in a way that made every other player in the market question their strategies. So in this video, we are going to explore Antigravity 2.0, one of the tools that is like having Claude Code and Codex bundled together in one single place. Except you can start using it for free even if you have never written a single line of code in your entire life. You can build full-blown products using this. Don't get overwhelmed. We'll show you the easiest step-by-step beginner's tutorial to master this tool. With this, you will also get a complete step-by-step guide along with some bonus skills on how to actually put this tool to work inside your job, business, or side projects. All of that is waiting for you inside my free WhatsApp community. You can grab the link from the description below. Now let's dive into this video. So what exactly is Antigravity 2.0 and why is everyone on the internet losing their mind over it right now? In a few words, it's like having an AI software company inside your laptop, but instead of helping you write code line by line, it uses multiple AI agents that work together like a real team. One agent builds the front end, another handles the back end, another debugs errors, while another researches and tests things in the background. Here is what the original version of Antigravity used to look like just a few weeks ago. A full-blown code editor which instantly scared off pretty much anyone who is not a working developer. But then they improved version 2.0. So now it just looks like a clean chat box sitting on your screen that anybody can use effortlessly. But is that it? I can use agents on both OpenAI and Anthropic's products, right? Both Codex and Claude have this feature of agents. So what makes Antigravity so special? What's its USB? Well, in Claude Code, developers usually need to manually set up sub-agents and workflows to make it work smoothly. With Google Antigravity 2.0, the whole system is designed around agents. The moment you give it a complex task, it can dynamically spin up sub-agents and run them in parallel automatically. But what about Codex? While Codex supports agents, it's locked behind a paid ChatGPT Plus subscription. Antigravity has a free tier option, so you can use it entirely for free. Yet, also, the whole thing now runs on Google's new Gemini 3.5 Flash, which is 4 times faster than Claude and GPT at writing code. Some people even say Antigravity can generate code at nearly 800 tokens per second, making certain workflows feel up to 12 times faster than traditional AI coding tools. To show us how well this functions, Google ran Antigravity 2.00 for 12 hours straight on stage at the recent Google I/O conference 2026. At one point, they had 93 sub-agents working in parallel, and what came out was an entire working operating system. What is Antigravity 2.0? Released during the 2026 Google I/O Summit, Antigravity 2.0 is a powerful AI coding tool that acts like an entire AI software company inside your laptop. Instead of just generating code line by line like a traditional completion tool, it dynamically spins up multiple AI agents that work together in parallel. For example, one agent will build the front-end structure, another handles the visuals, and another generates images, all at the same time. The tool features a clean chat box interface and runs on Google's Gemini 3.5 Flash model, which allows it to generate code at speeds of nearly 800 tokens per second. It also features a free tier. How to set it up? 1. Download. Head to the Antigravity website and download the installer for Mac, Apple Silicon, or Intel. Windows, or Linux. 2. Install. Drag the app into your applications folder, open it, and sign in. 3. Create a project. In the left panel, click the plus icon next to projects and create a new project folder on your computer, for example, D2C brand. Every piece of code and image the AI generates will be saved directly into this local folder. The complete guide and prompt script. If you want to build a full product like a premium D2C website from scratch, follow this exact sequence of prompts and commands. Step 1. The market research prompt. Instead of guessing what to build, use the AI to identify a profitable niche. Prompt. Hey Gemini, I want to build a premium D2C brand website. Search the web and tell me the top 5 industries in 2026 that desperately need this kind of website. Then let us plan accordingly. Result. The model will browse the web and return options like premium pet wellness, elite biohacking, etc. Step 2. Inline setup. The AI will come back with open questions. For example, exact niche, brand name, aesthetic. You can answer these directly inline, just like commenting on a Google Doc. Example answers. Choose elite biohacking, set the brand name to ultra-human, and define the aesthetic as tech, luxury, and dark. Step 3. The core build prompt. To build the site, drop a reference link, for example, the existing ultra-human website, into the chat, attach a reference photo, and give the AI instructions to redesign it. Prompt. First, redesign this website using the research above, fully animated, and suggest what else to add. Then generate brand campaign images that match the aesthetic and use this photo as the model for the brand. Result. Multiple agents, a markup architect, style stylist, and image generator will immediately fire up and work in parallel to build the site. Step 4. The execution commands. Once the AI is done, it will provide 2 specific commands you must run to see the final product. By go, think of this as the manager command. It ensures all the different agents are working together smoothly, making sure the layout, colors, and generated photos are placed exactly where they need to go. By browser, this is the reveal button. It takes all the generated code and opens the fully functioning animated website directly in your web browser. Hashtag bonus skills, automation, and CLI setup. 1. Using